Hello everybody. We have a product named Faircoat A. Faircoat A is a textured protective decorative anti-carbonation coating for interior and exterior surfaces with exceptional weathering characteristics. The benefits of using Faircoat A are: it gives a textured finish with excellent bond. It forms flexible film with gap bridging properties. It allows substrate to breathe. Faircoat A is non-toxic and non-flammable, having excellent waterproof coating. Faircoat A is used to provide a textured, decorative, durable coating for concrete and masonry surfaces. Two-coat application is recommended. Faircoat A is a ready-to-use elastomeric aqueous-based coating containing special polymers and fillers. Faircoat A provides extremely tough protective decorative coating that allows surface to breathe. Faircoat A has been specially designed for the decoration and protection of concrete against attack from atmospheric carbon dioxide, airborne chlorides, acid rain, weathering, etc. Faircoat A is a non-flammable and hence it can be used in interiors also. Faircoat A has excellent adhesion to the substrates and cures to form a flexible film that allows the surface to breathe and acts as a carbon dioxide barrier, thus protecting the concrete in aggressive weather conditions. It has an excellent gap bridging ability and does not age with time and forms an extremely durable film. Faircoat A can be primed on the following bases: on old or porous surfaces, ensure that the substrate is sound and dilute 2 parts of Faircoat A to 1 part of water and prime the surface. When it is tacky or touch dry, that is after 1.5 to 3 hours, apply Faircoat A on the primed surface. Application of Faircoat A is as under: stir the material in the container thoroughly and spread evenly with a brush, roller or airless spray. Avoid application during rainy weather. In hot or dry weather, dampen unpainted surfaces with water to prevent Faircoat A drying out too rapidly. The surface texture and porosity must be taken into account while estimating quantities. Faircoat A is supplied in 1, 5 and 20 kgs. If you have any queries regarding this, please do not hesitate to reach us. Thank you.